So this is the Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle occurs in stroma of chloroplast, and Calvin cycle is divided into three main phases. First one is carbon fixation, second is reduction, and third is regeneration of RUPP. So to understand the Calvin cycle better, we must draw the Calvin cycle 3 times altogether, which will be easy for us to calculate the carbon compound produced. Okay, so at here we will start with the RUBP first. Okay, RUBP is short form for ribulose bisphosphate. Okay, here we can see for 3 molecules of RUBP. So these 3 molecules of RUBP will fix with 3 molecules of carbon dioxide here. So this is the first step of Calvin cycle, and this step is catalyzed by enzyme called rubase coadhesion. So at here we must calculate the carbon compound produced. So for RUBP, for 1 molecules of RUBP, here got 5 carbons. So for 3 molecules of RUBP means we are expecting to get a 15 carbon compound. Okay, so same goes to the carbon dioxide. For 1 molecules of carbon dioxide, it consists of 1 carbon. So for 3 molecules of carbon dioxide means we will get a 3 carbon compound here. So from this, the combination of 3 molecules of RUBP and 3 molecules of carbon dioxide, we are expecting to get a 6 carbon compound. But due to unstable situation, the 6 carbon compound will immediately split into 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate. Okay, so we must know that for 1 molecule of RUBP and 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, we will get 2 molecules of phosphoglycerate. Means for 3 molecules of RUBP and 3 molecules of carbon dioxide, we are expecting to get a 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate. Okay, so at here the number of carbon produced is, so at here for 1 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate we got 3 carbon. So for 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate we will get 18 carbon compound. Okay, so this 6-phosphoglycerate molecule will then phosphorylated, which will need 6 molecules of ATP. Okay, so these 6 molecules of ATP will form 6 molecules of ADP again. So this reaction and then will form 6 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate here. You can see. Okay, so to calculate the number of carbon, so for 1 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, we can see got 3 carbons. So for 6 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, we will get 18 carbons. So stay same. So these 6 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate will then reduce. Okay, reduce means it will use the reduce agent. Okay, so the reduce agent is here is the NADPH. So here got 6 molecules of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. So we were expecting to it must use the 6 molecules of NADPH2. Okay, so 6 molecules of NADPH will then reduce to 6 molecules of NADP plus. Okay, so from here we are expecting to get another 6 molecules of G3P at here. So G3P is short form for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Okay, so these 6 molecules of G3P will remove 1 molecule of G3P at its output. Okay, this is to form glucose, and the glucose will then use to the plant after that. Okay, so the remaining 5 molecules of G3P here, you got 6 molecules, and then the 1 molecules of G3P already became the output, so the remaining is 5 molecules of G3P here. Okay, these 5 molecules of G3P consists of 15 carbon actually, so this will rearrange into 3 molecules of RUBPN again, because these 5 molecules of G3P already entered the third phase, which is regeneration of RUBP. So to accomplish this cycle, the cycle will spend 3 more ATP HU. Okay, so these 3 molecules of ATP will then produce 3 molecules of ADP. Okay, so the RUBP is now already prepared to receive carbon dioxide again to the cycle to be continued now. So from the Calvin cycle, we can calculate that the total number of ATP and NADPH which is produced is, here we can see, got 6 ATP plus 3 ATP. Okay, total is 9 ATP is used, and here we can see got 6 NADPH is used. Okay, this one is for 3 Kelvin cycles. So for 1 Kelvin cycle, it will use 3 ATP and 2 NADPH. Thank you.